Ding dong, motherfucker! Ding dong! Hey, fuck ass, give me a beer! Turtle brag. What the fuck is that?
It's Irish. You're fucked.
I know who you are.
Ebomey here.
How do you fucking say that? Like California surfer. You know what I'm saying? Like gay.
As you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be giving away, have a contest to give away a complete AR-15 package.
Oh, this is so fucking cool, man.
You have a loader, handrail, slings, mags, grips, zombie, the Eotech, the case, and I feel that's a pretty good setup right there.
I can't believe that just fucking happened.
I would say now I can let you know what I'm expecting you to do to win all that.
Would somebody please come over here and fuck me up the shit? Not this time. You get the shit.
And I'm going to put the accessories on this. Wow. Yeah.
Where's your gun?
Okay, guys. There's a look at how this would look. Have your quad rail with the rubber grips on it. Your front and rear flip-ups. Eotech, which from this distance I don't know if you're going to be able to. There it is.
Boy, you guys sure did a good job. Ah, shit. You guys are good, huh?
I'll catch you on the flip side.
All bullshit aside, Eric, it's a very cool thing you and your partners are doing. All the sponsors that helped out. I do not want my name in the hat for this. I've got one. I hope it goes to someone who can appreciate it and will shoot the living shit out of it. That's about it, really, man. Good luck, and I hope whoever gets it really appreciates it. Little Irish love. Salute, brother.